Excuse me, are you American?
No, I'm not. I'm Canadian.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Jacob.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
32.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1988 in Liverpool.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
What's your profession?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What's your address?
31 Oxford Street.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 3 weeks.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Certainly.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
Have you got any children?
No, not yet.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
What is your hobby?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
How much is this?
This is $8.
How much are these?
These are $4.
How much does this cost?
It's $5.
How much is this altogether?
$200.
How much money do you have?
I only have $300.
How much is it to go to Los Angeles?
It's $150.
How much do I owe you?
40 cents.
Who is this?
This is my uncle, Sam.
Do you know Megan?
Yes, she is my friend.
Who is Jenny?
Jenny, I've never heard of her.
Do you know who Eric is?
No, who is he?
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Is he American?
Yes, he is.
How many languages can you speak?
I only speak English.
What time do you open?
We open at 8 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you close?
We close at 12 o'clock.
What time does the show start?
It starts at 10.
What time does the flight leave?
It leaves at 5.
What's this?
This is computer.
How do you make money?
I trade P2P in Binance.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
When is your birthday?
April 7th.
Where is the closest train station?
Over there.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is one over there.
Where is it?
I don't know where is it.
Do you have a lot of money?
No, I don't.
Do you want to see a movie tonight?
Sure, sounds good.
What's the date today?
Today is March 28th.
Do you want coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Are you thirsty?
A little.
Do you want something to drink?
Some tea would be great.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat some fruit.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, it is a truck.
Do you like Indian food?
Yes, I love Indian food.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel fine.
Are you sick?
Yes, I have a slight cold.
How do you feel today?
I feel great today.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on Monday.
Do you have any problem?
Yes, I have.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. I have 3 questions for you, my viewers. Please answer these questions in the comment section. Where are you from? How old are you? How long study English daily? And is my channel useful for you? Thank you for watching. See you in next episode.